Hi there, in this video I will show you how to replace the default footer of your theme with a footer built with Divi. First of all, you have to remove your current footer. You can do that by using CSS code. We have added this code that will help you to remove the footer, but the class here is different for different websites, and I'm going to show you how to get this class or ID depending on the one that you have. So to do that, please go to your website, scroll at the bottom where you can see the footer, right click on the footer, and you can see the ID or the class that the footer is using. So it's using site footer class. Click here and you can use display none to remove the footer. I'm gonna copy this CSS code and go to Appearance, Customize Additional CSS. So go to Dashboard first, then Appearance, Customize, and paste the code. Click Publish. Then check if the changes are made in the website. You can see the footer is removed. Then we can go with the instructions in the article. First of all, we have to create the design of the footer. To do that, go to WordPress Dashboard, Divi, Divi Library. Then you need to add a new layout. You need to give it a name and choose the section as a layout type. So add new footer. You can name this as you want. In my case, I'm using footer, and change the layout type to section. Click Submit. Then you can build the layout by adding as many elements as you want. For this particular video, I will use a very simple footer so you can check how it works. I'm going to make the footer full width. So I go to Design, then width 100%. The content will be aligned in the center. Then I will add some spacings. Also, I want to add the background. I will leave it like this. Save and exit. I'm going to insert a column. Then I'm going to insert a module. I'm going to insert a simple module and add the new footer. Save and exit and click Update. After you have finished with the design, you have to insert the shortcode in footer.php. To do that, first of all, you have to go to Divi, Divi Library. Basically, you have to get this post ID of the design that you have already made. And you have to go to Appearance Editor so you can add the shortcode. I'm going to leave this tab open, so I will go here, Appearance, Theme Editor. It's really important that you make the changes in a child theme, or you use my custom functions, so whenever the theme is updated, you don't lose the changes. You have to locate footer.php. I'm going to locate footer.php here. Then make sure that the shortcode is added right before the div you just used to remove the footer with CSS. You have to use this shortcode. I'm gonna copy this. Then this shortcode needs to be added inside PHP code. And this 48 ID needs to be changed here. You click Update File. And then you check the changes in the website. as you can see, the new footer is showing here.